Hey there, you must have used list views to search through various records in Salesforce, and you must have felt like you're swimming through a sea of data trying to find what you need. Well, today I've got a lifeboat for you. We are talking about customizing list views and adding filters in Salesforce. And trust me, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Let's dive in. All right, we are here in our Salesforce org and we are focusing on something we all use but might not customize enough list views. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to efficiency. First up, let's jazz up a list view. Let's go to the opportunities tab. It could be done for all other objects as well. So in this particular case, the default list view that I'm looking at is the recently view. Now I don't like this particular view. And basically, I want to customize the list view based on my need. So what I would like to see on my opportunities is basically high value opportunities which has not been closed. And for that, what we need to do is go to the list view controls and click on new. So in this case, I'm going to name this my deal breaker opportunities. Okay. You can also control access to the list view. Basically, you would like to share with your colleagues. In this particular demo scenario, I want to keep this private, so I would just select the first value and click on save. Now, what you're looking at is a list view with default columns. Now, we would go ahead and customize the different columns that we are seeing here. So again, we are going to go to list view controls and you are going to see an option called list select fields to display. Now in my case, all I need is the opportunity name. So I'm going to remove account name and I'm going to keep the stage and let's say just the amount. So I'm going to remove the close date as well as the opportunity owner. Now on the left panel, what you see here is all the fields that can be added to the list view as a column. In my case, all I need is just to see these three fields. We can come back to it and change it. For now, this looks good to me, so I'm going to click on save. There you go. Now you are not looking at unnecessary columns that you don't want to see, but let's take it a step forward because I do not want to see all these records. So what I'm going to do is customize the filters to show only the records that is relevant to me. So to access the filters, let me close this. There are two ways. One is you see this filter icon on the right and you can click on it, or you can come to list view controls and click the edit list filters from here. Now here we're going to add a filter and which is basically I want to see all my opportunities where it is not equal to closed won or closed lost. Okay. Now the filters are really customizable, so we can go ahead and add more filters to this. And I want to create a filter based on the amount as well. So I want to make sure that the amount is greater than 100,000 as well. And you can choose the filter logic. So in this case, I want to see both the filters where the stage is not equal to closed won or closed lost, and the amount is greater than 100,000. Let's click on save. And now we can close the filter span. Now what you're looking at is the specific opportunities where I would like to spend most of my time and not shift through a sea of data. Now, while I'm here, let's talk about a couple of more customization that might be relevant to you. One, if you see this pin, if you pin this list view, what it does is if I shift through different tabs and come back to opportunities, it will show me the pinned list view. So it keeps it to tied to that particular object or tab. Okay, there we have it, folks. A list view that is tailored just for you, showing exactly what you need when you need it. Gone are the days of sifting through everything to find those golden nuggets of data. With a few clicks, you have got a list view that is as unique as your Netflix recommendations. I hope this helps you cut through the clutter and focus on what matters. If you found this useful, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making Salesforce work for you. Till next time, keep those data views clean and your filters sharp. Thank you.